For our product review this month, we've been looking at garden scissors of different kinds, and the team have chosen 3 that they particularly liked. And I've got these Kew Garden herb scissors, which are from Speer and Jackson. And as you see, very interesting, they've actually got 5 blades, and they're particularly good for chopping up leafy herbs like this lemon balm. So let's have a go. And then you can cut through them. I can already smell the lovely lemon coming from the leaves, and you can cut them up quite fine actually, and you can do it with lettuce and other leafy salads. And there you go, you've got lovely herbs cut nice and fine. And what also is good about these is that, you know, obviously when you're using these they do get a little bit dirty, but it comes with a little cleaner which you just slip in there like that, and it keeps them nice and clean. So I'd really recommend them. Let's see what the others in the team are doing.
My choice are these multi-purpose scissors from Wolfe Garden. Stainless steel, lovely comfortable grips, nice soft grip there, and as you might expect they're razor sharp, so really useful. Use them all around the garden, great to keep handy for cutting string or veggies or whatever really. So yeah, I really like these, nice and lightweight, long lasting, nice and easy to see if you happen to drop them as well, nice bright colours. So I'd recommend these from Wolfe Garden, multi-purpose scissors.
My favourite snips are these from Bergen and Ball, actually from Harrod Horticultural. They're fruit and flower snips. They've got made of stainless steel, very strong spring on them. In fact, they're constantly open. So you've got a little sort of little tab at the end here, little catch to put over the ends to keep them together. They're very sharp, nicely pointed, ideal for sort of snipping off things like grapes, but also very good for cutting flowers. Nice clean cut, and you can take off any of the dead heads. Really sharp, very easy to use, with the rubberized handles, also very comfortable. So I can definitely recommend these Bergen and Ball fruit and flower snips.